Hello there! So you received your blind spot mirrors. These are our best blind spot mirrors when it comes to matching the exact shape of the mirrors in your car. And they're adjustable too. So we hope you love them. But if for any reason you have to return them, please don't send them back to Amazon because they will penalize us for any returns. The best and fastest solution would be that you contact us and we'll help you right away. Now let me tell you two very common mistakes and a question that almost everybody asks. Number one, don't peel the adhesive until you know exactly where you're gonna place the mirror. I guess this is a common mistake, but people get super excited and peel it off and then they don't know exactly where it's gonna go. And number two, don't drop it. When you're trying to figure out where to place it and how to place it, it may slip off. If you drop it and break it, please let us know and we'll do our best to help you. Lastly, we believe our customer service is the best. If you have any questions, simply send us an email or shoot me a text.